Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Weeko. So for today's video, I'm going to do a holiday makeup look. All the products used will be listed in the description box and lahat ng ginamit ko very affordable, so don't you worry. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start first with brows, and I'm going to use this Define and Blend Brow Pencil from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Natural Brown. It comes with a spoolie and yung tip niya is angled, which I love kasi mas nadadalian ako pag ganito yung tip. So ina-outline ko muna yung brows ko. And after ko i-outline, unti-unti ko na siyang fini-fill. And then, ibabrush ko na yung dulo para hindi magmukhang matapang yung kilay ko. So, sa kabilang brows naman, and same lang sa ginawa ko kanina, outline, fill, and then brush yung sa dulo ng brows. And before ako mag-eyeshadow, naglagay lang ako ng concealer para ma-prime yung eyelids ko. So, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. And ito yung newest release ng Maybelline. And it's a limited edition NYC postcard inspired packaging. Super cute. So, two palettes yung available. And ito yung warm nudes. So, itong palette na to, perfect siya for everyday makeup look. Yung simple makeup look lang pero gusto mo mag-eyeshadow. Yung mga shades niya is neutral lang. And ito naman yung soft pink. Super ganda ng mga shades. And ito naman, perfect siya for holiday makeup look nga. And kung mahilig ka sa mga pink eyeshadow, perfect tong palette na to. So, isasati ko lang yung concealer na nilagay ko sa eyelids kanina. And I'm using the I Love NY Nude from the Warm Nude palette. And now, I'm using the In Love shade from Soft Pinks palette. And ilalagay ko lang siya all over my lids. And using the Midtown Boast from Warm Nude palettes, ito naman yung ilalagay ko sa aking crease. And then, blend lang. For the shimmer, I'm going to use the Memories from the Soft Pinks palette. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang shimmer sa holiday makeup look. So, nilagay ko lang siya sa gitna ng eyelids ko. Using the I Love NY Pink and Midtown Boast, yun yung nilagay ko sa lower lashes ko. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Since hindi ako mahilig maglagay or magsuot ng false eyelashes, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi yung effect na binibigay niya, parang ganun lang din naman as you can see. And ilalagay ko rin siya sa lower lashes ko. And then, i-curl ko lang yung lashes ko para pack na pack talaga. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation with SPF 22 and I'm in the shade 118. So, gagamit lang ako ng sponge para i-blend yung foundation sa aking face. And super love ko talaga tong foundation kasi very lightweight lang niya. Parang wala akong nilagay na foundation. And easy to blend, perfect for beginners. Meron pa siyang SPF 22 and very affordable lang. And yung finish niya, very flawless. Kaya favorite ko talaga tong foundation na to. And for the concealer, yung ginagamit ko is yung Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Very lightweight lang din to and ito yung ginagamit kong concealer for my everyday makeup. So, using the Brickyard from Warm Nudes palette, ito yung ginamit kong shade for my nose contour. Medyo dark lang siya, kaya konti lang yung nilagay ko, tapos blend na lang. For the highlight, yung ginamit ko is yung Village Latte from Warm Nudes palette ulit. And super ganda nitong shade as highlight, as in the best. Ang ganda niya. For the cheeks, I'm going to use the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lip Tint in the shade Nude Shot. So, upward motion yung ginagawa ko sa pag-blend para magmukhang lift yung face ko since hindi ako naglagay ng bronzer. Yun yung aking technique na nakita ko sa TikTok. For the lippy, itong dalawa yung gagamitin ko. First is itong Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition in the shade Chai Genius. And ito yung ilalagay ko sa buong lips ko kasi syempre gradient lips na naman yung gagawin ko. And using the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lip Tint in the shade Soft Wine, ito naman yung ilalagay ko sa inner parts ng aking lips. Ang ganda ng combination nitong dalawang shade for gradient lips. And maglalagay lang ako ng highlighter dyan sa part na yan using the same shade na nilagay ko sa aking nose. Oh, diba? Ang ganda talaga nitong shade na to. Look at that. Look at that glow. I love it. So here's the final look. Simple, easy, and affordable holiday makeup look. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more and see you when I see you. Goodbye for now. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. Bye!
Back to texting all your exes on Xmas Eve. And I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there. With your hoops and your fucked up hair.